life's essentials, and I love baking. You would assume I know how to make bagels, but oh surprise, I've never made bagels. It's shocking, I know, but worry no more because we're about to fix that. See, I'm about to attempt making bagels for the very first time. Now, if you're like the bagel police or something, don't come at me, because this is only my first time making them, but fingers crossed. Not being funny or anything, but these turned out so good. I'm really happy with how they turned out. So I will definitely be linking the recipe down below. Go check it out, give it a try and see if you like them as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching.
To the proper point when you talk to boys, little ways to flirt and glance. I'll show you what. Pulling away from you. I give it, you. Will be popular. You're gonna be popular.